Welding machines and their products. Do you want welded wire mesh products with reliable quality and uniform mesh? Please look at the following picture. The mesh is uniform and flat. Any material can be welded. Let's see how it is produced. First, the wire feeding is automatically provided by the wire feeding frame. Step 2. The silk is inserted into the straightening tube and then straightened. Step 3. To weld the horizontal wire and the vertical wire together. Step 4 involves transporting the welded mesh sheet onto the circular mesh machine. Finally, the netting is cut to the specified length using a net trimming machine. This is the overall operation process of the mesh welding machine. The same welded wire mesh rolls are produced and then wound using an automatic wire mesh rolling machine at the end. They can be widely applied in various fields, such as construction, roads, expressways, etc. Contact me for more information.